hap for hap around the house. It appears as if we've got a hole in our INTEX inflatable kayak. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. You see it at the end of that black mark right there in the corner where they melted her together. Looks like they might have got a little close, and we've had these for 3 or 4 years now. We've never had a problem. But we did have a problem the other day, and then unfortunately, I thought it was that one. So I aired it up. I was playing grab ass with that, and I was looking for a hole that just wasn't there, so I had to get this one out and check it. We're going to be using vinyl, fabric, and plastic repair with a piece of, this is from an old pool that we had. I cut it out, saved some. This is the original bag with the kayak, and I think there's some repair, but I think I'm just going to stick with what I know works. And it looks like this is close enough, so I might be able to get a clamp on it. So let's get to it. I'll get everything around, and we will repair this. All right, let's get this thing fixed. We're going with a Loctite plastic vinyl weld. There's the hole right there. I'm not going to put a huge amount, but enough to make sure that that will stick. Have a towel handy, of course. Now, I'm going to use a block of aluminum, and I'm going to use one of these clamps and clamp her down just like that. Let her slide down on top of it like so. There we go. And we'll come back in 15 minutes and see how bad of a job I did or how good of a job I did, I suppose. I ended up leaving it out overnight. Put this toe down. Let's see what we have. Yeah, let's get this clamp off. All right. Ooh, stuck a little bit. There we go. Ooh, I like that. That is going to work out perfect. Yeah, if you can pick up some of this vinyl fabric and plastic Loctite, oh man, did that do a nice job. Oh, here's a close-up. Here is a close-up. That did a spectacular job. There's no edges that are raised. Nothing's gonna fall off. Very impressive. Also, these clamps, Bessie clamps, got a little one here. These are the best clamps I've ever used. I'll put a link to anything I use down below. This is Hap for Hap Around House. If you can pick up these INTEX kayaks, oh man, are they nice. Again, we've had this for 3 or 4 years, and finally we had a hole. Don't know how. Again, I think it's just when they heat this, I think it just got a little thin. Hap for Hap Around House. If you liked the video, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.